So today we haven't got a stacked Amstrad. I've put it away. We haven't got a stacked DNT. I've put that to one side. Maxcom 4E, customer recapped it himself. It's beautiful. It's working very well. Now I've tuned it. Let's see whether Mr. Chippie. Better check the internal speaker actually works. It does. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Right, I'm ready.
Roger, I'm not.
Roger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Yeah, I think you could see that. My needles went straight across and back round twice.
Roger, have you got a tone control?
Negative, not on this set.
Roger that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Lancaster service station, and it's closed.
Roger on that.
Right, we're almost square wheeled, but we're now passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Lancaster Crossroads.
Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, I've got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, I've got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a
Maxcom 4E using a standard replacement mic, and it's a 1982 set doing 4 watts over.
Roger that, all received.
Roger, Dodger.
starting. It's a bit foggy now.
What degrees does it say on the car?
It says 3.
Roger. We know some songs about 3 degrees.
Don't know any songs about them, but they did do some songs themselves. I don't know anybody made a song about 3 degrees.
This time we'll sing Baby Love.
Passing the Grayleys turn, over.
Looks like you're the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you loud and clear at the 5 mile point. I'm on its Maxcom 4E doing a 4 watt output, ready from 1982 using a standard replacement mic as supplied by the customer. We'll pop it onto low power and we'll do that now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we are doing 400 milliwatts. The radio's drawing 456 milliamps. Back to full power. There we are back at full power where it's drawing 850 milliamps. Tango 21 over.
Yep, all received on full power, no problems. Bit noisy on low power like you'd expect, but all good.
Roger, Dodger, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger. Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Rossby level crossing. Tell me that it's 138 point whatever. Over.
Yeah, 138.9, 142.7.
It's the same on the other side.
Don't think it is. I think it's 142.9 in reality. It's got a broken sign.
Off again. Right, okay, thanks very much. So on your way back, you've got a mission in Lancaster, and I will see you back at Tango Towers.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. I'll try and talk as you go past that noisy petrol station, then you can tell me that it's 138 point whatever over.
Yeah, 138.9, 142.7.
Wonder if it's the same on the other side.
thing is, I think it's 142.9 mil. It's got a broken side.
That's a gain. Right, okay, thanks very much. So on your way back, you've got a mission in Ancaster, and I will see you back at Tango Towers.
Yep, roger that.
10-10. Right, absolutely super duper. We'll go through to our base station. Solid performance, solid radios.
Tango 21 testing Maxcom 4E, which is the second one sent in by this customer into our Midland 76900 base station using the provider's standard replacement mic. It's doing full 4 watts. And we'll go on to low power just as a home test. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, low power. There we are, low power. And back to full power. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Another Maxcom 4E sorted.